Welcome back to this new video, guys, from Express. Today let's get started with Cloudy. So the first thing I wanted to be focusing on is into generate an actual website. Can we do that? Yes, we can. So the artifact shortcut is that if you go directly to, you just need landing page, for example, a simple tool. Usually what I do is that make sure that artifacts is toggled on. So to make sure of that is that you want to focus for your account directly here into Cloudy, focus for settings, and here I want to look out for the element that says artifacts. So just scroll a little bit down. Now here I wanted to focus for, if you just need something easy, you can start with an actual prompt. I'm going to focus for Sonnet 4.6, which is more efficient for everyday tasks, but let's see, we can focus for more models. And you can go for 4.5, which is for more answers and more ambiguous. So you can go for extended thinking and Sonnet.6, like that. Now I'm gonna go for build a modern, let's say responsive landing page for a coffee shop using React and Tailwind CSS. Just describe what you want. Now Cloudy doesn't just give you an actual code. It will open a side window where the website actually runs live. You can test the buttons, the mobile layout, and the colors right here. If you wanted to change, just say make the header darker, and it updates this directly here into the real time. Now when your website is done, you want to click the download button to get your HTML file and the CSS files. You can drop these directly into a host, like there's the Netlify, there's the Vercel, which are totally for free. Now the second method, for example, is the Cloud coding, which is the Pro path. Now the coding, it's only available for the Pro version, but basically what you can do is that this is an agent that lives in your terminal, basically can create files, install packages, and even fix its own bugs. So just point Cloudy to the actual folder of your notes and photos. It will automatically build the site structure, set up the actual routing, and optimize your images for an actual website, and look at it go. Because you don't need to touch the command line, Cloudy handles the packaging manager, the styling, and even the CEO sitemap. So you can preview your site locally, and it's been built. If somebody looks up, you don't even have to look at the actual code. Just tell me the terminal, fix the contrast of the menu, and it's done. Now, I'm going to talk a little bit more about the one-click development. So you can type in Claude, for example, create a GitHub repo and push the code. In my case, to make this process a little bit much more faster, what I can do is to do this directly into my browser. So I'm going to go for cloudy.ai. As you can see, here it is. I'm going to click directly inside here, and I'm going to go for logged out. I'm going to sign in to use another Gmail account to make this process a little bit much more faster, to see what's the difference between both of them, the app version and the desktop version, or as you might be saying here, the online version. Directly here, I'm going to focus only for the free version. Let's go for skip, continue. Once again, I'm going to type my name really fast, product management. I have my own topic, and here directly inside here, let's say create a GitHub repo, and pushed the actual code. The deployment, of course, used to be a headache because you just tell the Cloudy code to push it to the GitHub. It uses the GitHub CLI to create the repo for you, and connect the GitHub to repo to the Cloud pages, and you can turn these on to turn connecting discovery. So basically what happens here is that every time you ask Cloudy to change the site from now on, it would auto-update the live URL in just seconds. So basically it tells you that it actually works, a recommended application and extension to add it directly through your actual computer to make this process much more faster. So this truly are optional. You want to still check out that information added. Now, as you can see, basically what's going to happen here is that the landing page was successfully been created. As you can see that here we have the information about it. Here's the website, here's the actual menu, which I think is going to be really truly awesome. Here's our stories, the contact, hover over, and here you can even see the developer mode. Just a quick summary and recommendation before you say, yeah, I made it, I'm really done with this. Building a website is no longer about syntax, it's about how well you can describe your vision. But something else that you can do is to get started with the Cloudy code for real sites. And if you want to see more tools like this, you can let us know in the comments below. So either you want to stick around with the application version or the website version, both of them are actually going to be really great. So as you can see, this actually does stuff for real, and you can download all this information and you can get your JSX file and you're actually good to go. Here is the index files to use into the project, here's the planner, here's the section used into the intersection server, which I think is going to be truly awesome to use that information into the future. So don't forget guys to like, share and subscribe to the channel guys if you want to see more great tools like this. Thank you so much for watching the video, and hopefully with all this information we could all see you all next time. See you soon.